Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a walk-around startup and a drive video of a 1968 Pontiac Lemans GTO Tribute. Now, this car has a built 455 engine under the hood with dual quads. It has power steering, it has power brakes, it has vintage air conditioning, has the correct PMD rally wheels with the BF Goodrich Radial TA raised white letters on it. Really, really nice looking car. Tremec 5-speed manual transmission in the car. The air conditioning works in the car, the heater works in the car, the radio works in the car. I'll show you all them features here in just a little bit. Walking around the car, the body panels are very nice on this car. This is a California car previously. I think the gentleman told me that he's had the car in the Midwest here for about 10 years. Body panels are very, very nice. This quarter panel was replaced on the car. I don't know why, but that quarter was replaced. The rest of the sheet metal appears to be all original. Nice black interior, bucket seats, factory center console. The wind is blowing a little bit here. I apologize if I don't have my headset and my microphone cover on today, so if it's a little bit windy, I apologize, guys. Interior is really nice. Got a few little wrinkles in the headliner, nothing major. You probably tighten that up a little bit if you wanted to. Package tray is nice. Door jambs are in good shape. Door panels are nice. The door panels seem to be all original. I'm not so sure the seats, everything are all original in the car. Here comes the meat wagon. Very nicely detailed underneath the hood, chrome valve covers, Edelbrock carburetors, Edelbrock intake. It is a factory AC car with just kind of a vintage air upgraded compressor. Retains the original stock exhaust manifolds. Has a couple little cracks, you know, these noses do that. It's got a couple little cracks right here, one right here, and a little chip that we touched up right there. Yeah. Outside of that, I don't see any bubbling on the bottom of the car, on the bottom of the doors. It's rock solid underneath. Like I say, it's a previous California car. I'm going to price this car very reasonable. I'm going to price this car at $39,900. I think that's a great value on this car. Crank it up here for you. Got a factory tilt steering column. Horn works. Left turn, right turn, radio. No, it works, you can see that. It's got a retro radio on it. Two little aftermarket gauges down there, oil pressure and temp gauge. Tremec 5-speed. The tack is not working. Got one headlight out. Yeah, both turn signals work. We got one headlight out. I guess I'll shut it off and show you the inside of the trunk real quick. There you go. it's just a very, very nice, clean car. Got 455 badges down below there. This car ought to sell like in 2 hours, priced at $39,900. With the Tremec 5-speed transmission, your spare, your jack, your tools, spatter painted trunk, nice trunk mat, jack instructions. The numbers right there. They must use the numbers on that one too. They must use the GM quarter when they did that. Well, we'll take her for a spin. Don't be rolling them windows down today, Bryce. It's cold.
Yeah, you're right. I've been running around though, so the hoodie keeps me kind of pretty warm.
Kind of running around outside here today, doing some pictures and videos. Nice fall day. The wind just happened to pick up right at that second when I decided I'd start this video, so kind of how it happens sometimes. Figured out for you though. The speedometer works great, 70 mile an hour right down the road. Drives nice. That wind blowing kind of just blows you off the road. .455. I haven't got on it really yet, so we'll see how good she runs.
Sounds healthy.
Yeah, sounds real good. Kind of a little wet in there. I don't think I'm gonna pull in there. We got her all nice and clean. I hate to. The only thing I see I need to do to this car is adjust that clutch pedal a little bit. It don't want to come back. It must need another spring on it. Car runs and drives great. Ton of power. I don't know. I'd say it's probably got 450 horse or more with the Milk 455 with dual quads. And that 5-speed transmission makes one hell of a difference too. I mean, that tack isn't working, but I mean, I'd say we're probably 2,200 RPMs at 70, so. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com. Give us a call today. This 1968 Pontiac will not be around long for $39,900. It's got all the good stuff going for it. With the 5-speed, power steering, and the brakes, and the air conditioning. Great car, everybody. Thanks for watching our video and have a great afternoon.